Hi, this is Mr. Helm, the Instructional Technology Coach for Columbus Middle School. We are a one-to-one school, and what that means is that every student has access to a device for their instruction. Now, because we partner with Verizon, the device that we offer is the iPad. Now, this is a special iPad. Not only can you connect to the internet using your home Wi-Fi, you can also connect to the internet using the cellular data that the iPad offers. So if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, you can still get online. And this is a great opportunity for your student because that gives your student 24/7 access to the internet for their instruction. Now, before we can issue this device out to you, there are some authorization forms and agreements that you have to do. So I'd like to guide you to those forms. The authorization forms and agreements are on the Columbus Middle School website. Let's take a look. So look at your screen. And when you open up the CCMS website, you'll want to navigate to the CCMS Technology homepage. So let's go ahead and do that. On the home page, scroll down and you'll see the 6 current forms that you'll need to fill out and complete and submit. The forms will be saved to the cloud and we'll have access to those forms. Now, before you do the forms, it's very important that you and your student open the form, read through it carefully and thoroughly, the directions and each question. We want to make sure that you both understand. The forms come in English and in Spanish, whichever is best for you. Let's take a look at the forms. Form 1 is the Digital Citizenship Certification. Form 2 is the Verizon Agreement for the student. If you have 2 students coming to Columbus, each will fill out a form and submit. There's the Verizon Agreement for the parent. And the 4th form, there's the annual LAUSD Responsible Use Policy. This is really important. So as you sit with your student and go through this form, read it carefully, go through it thoroughly. Form 5 is the LA Media Release, which is also done every year. And the last one, which is very important, is the LAUSD Device Take-Home Form. This is where you choose that you want the student to take the device home. So you'll see 2 options in this form. Option 1 will be, yes, I would like my student to take the device home. Option 2 is, no, I don't want the device to come home. We will be fine. So let's go through one of these forms to get you a feel for how it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and open form number 4. Here we go. This is the Responsible Use Policy form. So you can see there's a purpose and there's some directions and instructions here. So please, again, go through those thoroughly. And then there are some questions that we need you and the student to fill out. Okay, so in most cases on each form and agreement, there are boxes for you to check. And when you do check, we're hoping that you understand what it's trying to tell you. So in this case, as I read through my responsibilities, I will check mark. So you'll continue to scroll down and read and check mark and read through again. And it will ask you to date it. And on most forms, it'll ask you what school. But most importantly on each form is it'll ask you to type in the student name and the parent or legal guardian name. This is your digital signature saying that you understand and you agree with the form. Then you'll click submit. And when you're done with that, you'll be able to navigate back to the technology homepage, and then you can go to the next form and open that up and read through it, sign it, and submit it. Now, if you have any questions, please call the school. The phone number is at the bottom of this page. Also, we need these forms completed before you come to school to pick up your textbooks and your device. That's very important that you get that done. So thank you, and we'll see you soon.